Hey everyone, Brian from Bearable Traders here. It is Thursday, September 22nd. Just finished up trading the open for the day. And of course, we had a pretty wild ride yesterday, roller coaster up and down after that Fed 0.75 rate announcement. And then Powell went out and spoke, and the markets were certainly up and down a lot. So we've got a little bit of a hangover day going on here with the markets trading down again today. But on my stock watch list as we went into the open, not a lot of interesting things, but I saw Lee, and you can see here the reason I like Lee. It was trading above, it was gapping up, not gapping down like the rest of the market and most of the stocks. It was also showing a little bit of strength. Here's your open at 9:30, but it was showing a little bit of strength going into this open. So I was watching Lee and did a little pullback at the open, but then the buyers came in, and I jumped into it as well. We got a nice move up through these levels and right up to, and just literally touched R6, which is one of the Camarillo pivots. That's basically where I took the last bit of my stock off. And then of course we got the pullback. We did get a pullback to VWAP. I did take it long again here, and did take some back off here, and then it just started to drop, and so I stopped out of the rest. But that was my first trade with Lee, and I was trading with Thor today, and you can see here Thor was actually watching Tesla, and he pointed that out to me as well. So we could see it starting to break down here, and Tesla, I guess, had some news about a recall in the US, so on some of their models. So anyway, it just started to sell off here, and the selling pressure continued, and Thor jumped in, and so did I. I think Thor got a much better position than I did. So, but we did manage to take most of it off around 295, and yeah, that was the good trade also. So anyway, that's it, everybody. Hope you all had a good day, and if you are happen to check out our room here, we're always doing a pre-market show at 8:30 live on YouTube, so check us out there, and hopefully we will see you there, and maybe you might even join our room. Bye for now.